This video shows how to buy shares of Polaris Media ASA and confirms the search how to buy shares of Polaris Media ASA. Polaris Media is a Norwegian regional media group and its stock trades on Euronext under the ticker POL.OL. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and you should understand the risks before investing. To trade, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker POL.OL to locate Polaris Media ASA on the exchange. Make sure the result shows the Euronext listing so you select the correct share. Open the asset page to review the company overview and the price chart for POL.OL, confirming it is Polaris Media ASA listed on Euronext. Check the basic company information and recent price action before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens, depending on order type. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to the example broker is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.